Hello everybody. So welcome to week 10. So today I'm going to teach about our lab session. So this is the content of this slide. First I will talk about the Linux image, how to download virtual machine. Next, how to set up the software of virtual machine. Then I will also teach how to configure the network connection between VMware, and the last one, how to start off the virtual machine software, which is in this lab we are using VMware software. Okay, now this is the Linux image. Currently we are using two different Linux image. So the first one we call as a XP Pro Control Master, which is a Windows XP that used to act as a client. Second Linux image that we use in this lab is a Red Hat Linux 73.vmx, which is a Linux base that used to act as a server. So this is the link. Just straightforward, copy paste this link to any browser and download it. That's all. After download, you need to extract both of the file. Then you may download the virtual machine. In this lab session, we are preferring to use VMware. After downloading and extract the file and do the installation of the VMware, we may proceed to set up the virtual machine. So this is the procedure how to set up the virtual machine. After did the installation, you just straightforward open the software. Then please look up at option open a virtual machine. Then after that, navigate to the desired file. So in this case we are using two different Linux images, so that means we need to open up two VMware software, two VMware application. First application, we need to open up the XP image or S image, and then second VMware, we need to open up the Red Hat OS image. After open the image, we may configure the network connection between VMware. So this is the procedure. We just make sure the network connection, the network configuration is exactly like this. After that, after do the configuration, we may start both of the VMware. For XP, we can log in as usual way, but for Red Hat, we need to log in as a username root and password security. Then we can start our lab, then finish. So after this, I will show you the video how I did the lab experiment. Okay, so this is the basic command. If you want to do something, so maybe this is a good reference for you. For example, want to create the file or open the folder, so maybe you can refer to this. Okay, so that's it. So after that, I will show you the video step by step how to do the lab experiment. Okay, thank you. For the right part is a XP control server, which is the XP image, and the right part is a Red Hat Linux image. If not successful login, so we can start login again. So now it's successful by using a Warren username and Xclip as a password. Now we need to log out again. Now we are solving the fourth question. In the fourth question, we require to enter an username by using specific password, as you can see in the notepad file. Now we get a two different error. So you need to fill up the two error here, since the question asking about the how many obtain error. Now as you can see, we just obtain one error only. So here we need to guess whether the user is admin or not. So that's why we need to put some kind like the SQL injection in the text box. So this is the last question. So for the last question, we need to use our home PC, which is our host PC, and try to find the information through Google. I mean, through this URL. You just open up any browser that you have in your PC, and then search this URL and find the 17 that you can prevent the SQL injection. So in this question, we just take note. I mean, the copy paste the things that you think is good to prevent the SQL injection. For example, here for maybe you can put a limit database permission and segregate user. And then for the 5, maybe you can put this use store procedure for database access. And then 6, you can put isolate the web server. And then the last one, 7, we can put configure error reporting. That's all. I think that's all for today. So this is the end of this session. So I hope you can try this at home. And if you have any problem, just message me at msteam, or just you can email me at wbejuri@swimmen.edu.my. Okay, thank you very much.